I'm Heather Filkins with Jones Lang LaSalle, and we're here today talking to Senior Vice President Christine Espenshade, who deals mostly with affordable housing. Christine, tell me, who are the prime investors for affordable housing?
Prime investors still are families. We are seeing more institutions come into the space these days. Some people are raising money, really trying to boost yields that they think they can get a little bit higher than market rate housing.
Okay. And tell me about the yields that they're finding. Like, is it different in different areas in D.C.?
In D.C. specifically, people look to affordable housing for stability. While we're seeing very strong rent growth in the market rate space, you're seeing equal rent growth in the affordable space, but it's backed by government subsidy. People do want a little bit higher yield for that because of the restrictions placed on the properties.
Where do you see the affordable housing market going in 2012 as opposed to last year?
I think we're going to see more trades on the market. We're all very anxious to see what's coming out of the president's budget and what Congress is going to approve for HUD funding, FHA funding. The most important thing we're working on in the affordable housing space is making sure that Fannie and Freddie are around to help finance more and more affordable housing properties.
Now, do Fannie and Freddie basically finance all of them, or are you getting any money from life companies or anyone else?
Life companies typically don't play in the affordable housing space as much. Fannie and Freddie are the biggest. The tax-exempt bond market is coming back, and we're very hopeful that's going to continue to be a source for financing deals. The tax credit equity market is stabilizing, and we're seeing some very good products from HUD and FHA to help finance both new acquisitions, rehabs, and ground-up construction.
How is ground-up construction? We've heard that there's been barely any development, though now we're hearing there's supposed to be 33,000 some units being delivered here in D.C. by 2014. How about for affordable housing?
For affordable, it's more difficult to get deals done because of funding gaps. Cities, counties, local municipalities don't have as much soft funding to put into a deal to help get that done. However, it's helpful when certain counties or areas will require affordable housing component in a market rate deal. We do, and we're really trying to work with the counties and local officials to provide tax breaks and other incentives to make that an easier process for developers.
All right, so a lot to look forward to in the year ahead.
Yes, absolutely. And we're seeing more volume on the trade side, and I think that people are becoming more and more comfortable with affordable housing as an investment product, and that is only going to help the business grow.
Thanks so much, Christine.